Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I'm here with another product for you, which is maybe not the sexiest product in the world, but something you do need. And so we're in this new house here in Florida, and as part of the review of the house, the inspection company said they could see a little bit of rodent activity in the attic. In the past, they weren't sure if it was active or not, and that is not okay with Nikki. So she said, I gotta get some traps just to put them up there and see what's up there. So these traps are the best. They are the Catchmaster traps. According to the box, it says it's good for rats, mouse, snake, and then on the cover there's spiders, roaches, scorpions, which basically it is a glue trap. So let me pull one out. I'm not going to pull it apart, but because they come. This package has 12 in them. They come in pairs, so they're against each other, so I'm not sticking to each other. But if you want to use it, you pull them apart and it's going to expose the glue area. And essentially, anything that walks across this is going to be stuck there permanently for you to A, see if you have a problem, B, get rid of it because it's going to be stuck to the trap. And so that's why I got these. I've used them in the past. These glue traps are awesome. You have to be a little smart about how you use them depending upon what you're trying to catch. They all kind of travel different paths around the room. A quick Google or a look at the instructions will tell you good ideas about where to put the traps. But these things are awesome. I would recommend them. I've used them. So I hope that's been helpful for you. Assuming it has, please follow us here, Doug and Nikki here on Amazon. We go live about once a week, and if you click that follow button and follow us, you'll get notified when we go live. So if you happen to be online and you want to jump into the conversation, you're welcome to do that. Also on our page, you will find we have a curated list of all the items which we've purchased, used, and enjoyed here on Amazon. That way you don't have to mess around with stuff that you don't know if it's a good product or not. It's all listed on our homepage.